My name's Ridgewell. I'm the General Manager and Welding Coordinator within Ridgesteel Fabrications Limited. Steel fabrication and structural steel erection. We picked Selmach because of our friend over at A13 Engineering, Harry. He used you previously and he gave us your contact details to inquire about a plasma and a Sterling SRA 360 saw. So basically we was looking at expediting our lead times on material, okay, and bringing the profiling in-house because we're constantly spending a fortune subbing everything out to get all our materials in processed. So we're just cutting that out of the park, bringing it all in-house, and we can expedite program and expedite lead times on materials. We've got the Sterling SRA 360 saw, which will cut all our structural steel. We've also got a Ajan 260 amp HD plasma cutter, which does all the fittings for all our steel members. The machinery's been amazing, reliable, it's cost effective, consumables, saw blades, everything else, reasonable priced, very good quality. Yeah, overall brilliant.
Everything about the machinery, it's all user-friendly, nice and easy to use and easy to pick up.
The experience with Selmach has been very good, very reliable. Any questions we've had, they've responded straight away to the best of their knowledge and assisted us throughout. The aftercare from Selmach has been really, really good. I haven't got a bad thing to say about the aftercare. Anything we need, we can WhatsApp any of the engineers straight away and we'll have a response within the hour. Solutions, anything we need, repairs, straight out. Yeah, I'm looking at maybe purchasing another 260 amp HD plasma, just because of the demand on fittings at the moment is through the roof, and obviously we can expedite further lead times again with another machine. I highly recommend Selmach. Everything's been bob on. I've not got a bad thing to say. No, I just want to thank all the Selmach team for the continued support for the growth of Ridgesteel and Black Country Engineering Group.